Hello. My hotel room. Just getting ready. I have like 10 minutes to do this, but just getting ready now. I'm going to fashion photography meeting event at Indulge. So it's going to be a lot of fun. A lot of people, networking. It's going to be a good time. So I'm just kind of catching me getting ready. But, I mean, we're going to go there. After that, we're going to go to another meeting tonight. And, yeah. I mean, we're always packed full of stuff. Sorry. Can I get you? Shoes. I like going new places, especially in DC. DC is like my second home. I love it here. But, especially going to new places, meeting new people. It's fun. I love doing it. So that's what we're doing. Yeah. I mean, I'll fill you guys in later with what's going on and how it went. Probably get some footage there too. So it'll be good. It'll be fun. Exciting stuff. And I'll get back to you later. Let's go. I'll leave the lights on and everything. Okay, got my key. Room key. Yep. I think we're good. One last look. We're good. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Beautiful hotel. What's just in the studio here with Q-Hat, doing kind of like a little listening session, talking about writing and songwriting and collaborations and things like that. So we'll see where it goes. Just went to go get some stuff and he'll be back. Should be interesting. Never wanted before. Life was a breeze, everything was beautiful, and you made it seem like something was missing. Since then, all I ever do is think of spending time with you. You couldn't get enough of me. Our love making was endless. It's getting late. I'm expecting a call, but instead I don't hear from you. And take it out of here, can't wait till I get there. I'm gonna lay back in the sun and relax. Pour me a drink or two, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But is your foundation strong enough? I need to take another look. This ain't like any other book. I heard the story of how the happy ending came to her. I've already been hurt. How is this supposed to be? The night sky, know where I know where you came from. Did you come from the moon? Tell me how to set you. Let's not even know what you can do. I ain't trying to switch you. I ain't even trying to pass you. I'm with you. Yeah, I love that.
That was some dope.
Yeah.
That was
good job.
awesome.
Thank you very much.
Make some
Good
babies.
concept. That's what it is. It's all about the concept. Everybody does the same thing. And when you hear, almost as if you hear one word and you're like, that's the word I gotta use, I'm gonna make that my concept, and you just kind of flow with it. That was I love that.
That's what I do though. I just take a word.
One word.
I be looking around the room like she'd be like, paint what?
Yeah.
I just take a word and I build off of one word.
That's what I do too.
Hello, it is 12:30. It feels like a lot later. I just got back to the hotel room. We were in a crazy meeting with QHEF, and we had a listening session and just talking about working together and doing some writing and things like that. I'm so exhausted and I'm hungry, but I gotta get to bed because my flight is tomorrow morning, so I gotta be out of here by 11 o'clock, so I need to get some sleep. Talk to you guys later. It was a great weekend. We drove through a lot of Howard University events. It was crazy. Anyway, going to bed. Good night. Sweet dreams. What's up? I'm just at the airport now, going back to Toronto, but I just wanted to say bye before I left, and just watching on YouTube, follow me on Twitter at Simply Stellina, and my MySpace, myspace.com/simplystellina, and keep following, keep watching. There's going to be lots more to come. Yeah, so I gotta go because I'm late and I gotta catch my flight. So take care, and I'll see you when I see you. Ciao.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again to Simply Stellina. Again, downtown DC. Walking around, was inspired, so I thought I'd sing you a little something. This one's gonna be No One, Alicia Keys. I just want you close, where you can stay forever. You can be sure